Right now you are just bringing it down, bringing it up. No regards to your hips or knees position, but keep your knees in one place, steady. No, they shouldn't go forward, they shouldn't go back. Steady in one place, and just push your hips back and let your arms be suspended like this. Okay, and let it go as deep as you can. Pause for half a second and then same again. With the barbell also it will be the same. At the bottom itself, start like this. Your knees are placed like this, hips are back, bar above your middle of your feet, and then without letting your knees move forward or backward, just hold it like this, brace your core and one more thing you can do is keep a bench and stand against the bench like this, and then without letting the back of your knees lose contact with the bench, try to go as low as you can and then again come back up. This is a simple way of training for it. Back of my knees are in contact. I just now lower the weight, bring it up.